Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about fixing or resolving if you're not receiving mobile notifications for Discord on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And now you want to select the apps tile and then select where it says see all apps and then go down to Discord and select that. And then you want to select where it says notifications. And where it says, if you scroll down a little bit, so Discord notifications are turned on here. So if they're not, you may have to toggle that to the on position. And then make sure any of the notifications you may be missing are also turned on further down. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.